Let's see how to add a downloadable file button to Hostinger website builder. So we will connect our downloadable file to a button. So whenever someone will click on our button, our file will start downloading. Log into your Hostinger Edge panel. Click on websites from here. Now edit your Hostinger website. Now from the left menu, we are going to click on this three dots button and select media library. Now I will select documents from here. And after that I will click on upload files from here. Now I will select my downloadable file and then click on open. So our file is now uploaded. So click on this X button from here. You can add new button to your website, but I will use this existing button. So I'm going to select this button from here and then click on edit button. Now here we will see link to section. So I will click on this drop down and select file download from here. Now I will select my downloadable file and instead of the start button, I will change it to download. Now from the top, click on update website. Click on view site. Now click on this download button. And as you can see that our file is now downloaded to our computer. So this is how you can add downloadable files to your Hostinger website builder. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.